Hey YouTubers, thanks for turning back into another video. Today we're headed back to the track. We're going to see what the F150 runs in the 8th mile. Stick around, let's get this party started. So guys, before everything gets a little crazy and loud out here, I wanted to go ahead and do a little bit of a, I guess more like a walkthrough of the F150. So this is a totally stock 2018 XLT crew cab short bed 4-wheel drive. It is a 3.5 liter Ecoboost. It does have the max trailer tow package, so it's geared a little different in the rear end. It also has a set of 22-inch wheels that have 305, 45, 22 tires. So there's a few things against it for helping its 8th mile time today, but there are a few benefits that Ford helped us out with. So they're just getting the track warmed up here. So here in a few minutes, we'll do the first test pass. We're going to start out, I'm going to run 2-wheel drive, then we're going to go into 4-wheel drive and see what better times we can get and see what our personal best is in this pickup truck. So stick around, should be a lot of fun. Brandon and some of the guys will be here shortly, so we're just going to make a fun day out of it. How pathetic. We can only get better, right? So the first pass is in the books. 10.18 at 73 miles an hour. That was two-wheel drive, no traction control, and a 2.53 60 foot. So I think driver mod, I've got a long way to go. Got a lot of room for improvement. So let's hang around, let the staging lanes die back down, and we'll go for a second pass. Same thing we did, no four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, no traction control. See if we can get any better. We'll do this maybe another time, and then we'll put it in four-wheel drive and see what the improvement looks like. Number two. Try not to get in the water box a little bit here and see if we can keep the tires a little bit drier. Come on, dude. Looks like we're going straight through the water box. That'll be all right. Mode on. I think we're going to roll out on this one. Double bulbing this time. much better. So we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Bet you that had a lot better 60 foot this time. We'll see what the time slip says. So second pass is in the books. It was a 226, so comparing previous 60 foot, 253 on the first pass to a 226 on the second pass. So what is that, 2.5 tenths of a second? So that netted us a 970 at 73 miles an hour. So we're getting somewhere. I think next time I'm gonna do four-wheel drive high and see if we can cut down that 60 foot below a 2.0 and see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take a little bit of a break and we'll go back in the staging lanes. So we didn't get a third pass in. The track had a pretty bad motorcycle wreck. The guy, I believe, is going to be all right, so that works out. But however, it caused the staging lanes to back up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and call this video here. I hope you enjoyed. Ultimately, two-wheel drive, a F150 Ecoboost has netted 970s in the 8th mile. So we've got some, room to grow here, but ultimately, appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, subscribe for future content and give this video a like. It really helps me out. So guys, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.